Did you know that something as simple as a potato can heal plant wounds, protect against pests, and even boost plant strength without a drop of chemical spray? It may sound unbelievable, but this humble root has more power than you think. Stay until the end because what happens when you rub potato on your plants might surprise you. Here's how it works and how to use it. Take a fresh potato and cut it in half. When you expose the inside, you'll notice it's moist and starchy. That starch is rich in natural sugars and vitamins that act like food for your plants. Now, gently rub the cut side along the lower stem of your plant. If your plant has small scratches or wounds, the potato juice coats the area, helping it seal and heal faster. This reduces the risk of fungal infections and bacterial rot. Next, as you continue rubbing, you're also creating a thin protective layer. Potatoes naturally contain compounds that discourage pests like aphids, mealybugs, and even mites. Their smell and enzymes make the plant far less appealing to insects. At the same time, the nutrients encourage stronger cell growth, which means sturdier stems. For best results, apply in the cool of the morning or evening. Repeat the process every 7 to 10 days or after heavy rain. Always test on one plant first, especially if it's a young seedling. Within days, you'll notice wounds healing, fewer pests, and stronger, healthier growth. Nature hides its secrets in the simplest places, even in a potato. If this tip inspired you, try it out in your own garden. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural gardening ideas. See you in the next one.